The Labour Minister is insisting that he will properly scrutinize work permits applications for overseas workers to ensure Jamaicans are not at a disadvantage. Carl Samuda was making his contribution to the sectoral debate in the House of Representatives this afternoon. Andrea Chisholm tells us more.
There have been strong reactions to Prime Minister Andrew Holness's statement that a labour shortage in the construction sector may lead to foreigners coming to Jamaica to fill the gap. On Tuesday, the man in charge of granting work permits, Labour Minister Carl Samuda, said applications are carefully examined.
And I can assure you that the structures that we have put in place so far and what we are going to do to improve it is going to ensure that a decision is not made lightly to provide persons to come in and just work and use our country to their benefit at the detriment of Jamaicans who need work. So that is one of the strategies we are going to employ to maximize our workforce involvement.
Mr. Samuda adds that the Labour Ministry will be more rigorous in its assessments.
We are going to be examining them far more carefully. We're going to be more discriminating, and we're going to send out teams to ensure that when we say to them, have you tried to find a Jamaican to fill the job for which we gave you a permit last year? If we don't find that to be in the affirmative, then they will not get another permit. We are literally going to twist their arm to make sure that Jamaica is not a destination or a jumping off point to anywhere else, to be facilitated for those persons who want to come here and use us.
In 2021, the Work Permit Unit received 5,279 applications. Over 5,100 were approved, 23 refused, and the ministry is awaiting outstanding documents for 145 applications. Most of the permits issued were for the wholesale, retail, and motor repairs industry, over 2,300. 61% of the work permits approved were for Chinese and Indian nationals. The Labour Ministry will be upgrading its work permit system to one that is web-based. It should cost a little under $900,000 US. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.